Lock it up. Job done. And finish it off with a cup of tea. Right, so this job is actually to extract a broken key out of the lock, but what he wants to do now is replace the barrel for a thumb turn cylinder, but I'm still going to extract the broken key just for fun. So key extractors, okay, the blue ones here from Keyprint because they're from Peterson's. And you can get them in Keyprint. Let's see what's here. Right. So, yeah, I'm good. On the thumb turn cylinder. A535 thumb turn. Go. Right. I'll leave that on, not going to be long. Okay. I'll go for this one. Maybe. Sorry, do you have a key for this? Ah, here we go, got it. That's right, got it out. Special tools. Do you have the old key so I can get the barrel out?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, a nice cup of tea. Oh, sorry, lovely, cheers. Let me just get the barrel out. This will be the one going in, so it'll be, I'm not going to put it in properly yet, but so it'll be like that. So when you're inside, you can just.
Perfect.
Yeah, makes a lot more sense, doesn't it?
No, that's much better.
Yeah. So let's see what handle cassette it's got in it. Let's see about replacing that. There, you had this handle off.
I just took it off this morning, but I didn't get. I took it off both sides, and then thought I'm not really going to get that out. But that.
Alright, yeah, oh god, that's had it.
Look, that's part of it.
In fact, I might have one.
That little bit there. It's all sort of fractured. I suppose it's just to protect the plastic, is it? To stop
No, no, lift the handles back up.
Oh right.
That's what it's for. It's because it takes it takes the pressure off the actual lock for the handles.
Right.
So, because it's obviously just a floppy handle,
yeah,
it just gives the lock a bit more support. Lifting the handle back up. So is it the same on both? They're both gone. Or is it just the one side? That side seems alright. Yeah, that side's alright. That's just one. Right, let me go and get one.
Is cash any good for
you? You can do bank transfer or cash, whatever you want.
Does it make any difference for cash? Or?
No, because I'm not VAT registered anyway.
That's
so.
fine. What is it? 150.
Plus for the cassette, so £10 for the cassette. So £5 for the cassette, so only one half. So yeah, all in. Okay, no worries. Right. Now the cassette. There you go. Nice new one. There's nothing wrong with the outside one, so there's no point in replacing it. So these look like 1-star handles. Sorry, 2-star handles, should I say? 1-star handles. And then go down. There's that. There we go. Right. Yeah, that's it then. So now, nice. Shut the door, lock it up. Shut the door. Lock it up. Job done. And finish it off with a cup of tea.